Hello everyone. Today, we will make berets. First, I make a pattern for our beret. The diameter of the beret is 28 centimeters. The pattern will be under the link under the video. I mark the points the center and along the edges, then all the actions are shown in the video. I ran out of landscape paper, so I took 4 sheets of paper and glued them together. On the same pattern, I made a second one to save time. Cut in a circle. The first pattern is ready. I use velour fabric, but you can use any fabric. I make an allowance of 1 centimeter along the edge. I cut in a circle, and make a second pattern. Just cut a circle in the center, and the second pattern is ready. I also make an allowance of 1 centimeter. Circle the middle as it is. We arrange the two parts of the beret, with the front part of the fabric and sew. We also tuck the lower part by 1 centimeter and stitch it. Make a tail. Fold in half wrong side and sew. Turn inside out. Find the center of the beret, and sew. Beret ready. Thank you for watching.